Solomex contain butamiryl citrate, which belongs to a group of medicine called antitussive. It is used for non-symptomatic treatment of non-productive cough or dry cough. Dosage 15 ml up to 4 times daily. Possible side effect are drowsiness, dizziness, nausea, diarrhea, itchy skin. Warning and precautions: don't use in children or adolescents under 18 years of age. Don't take it with other cough medicines like expectorant at same time, as it could lead to buildup of mucus in your lungs, possibly causing breathing difficulty or lung infection. Don't use in first trimester of pregnancy. It contains sorbitol, so don't use if you are glucose intolerant.